McKeesport?
McKeesport? Oh.
But McKeesport is 200 miles away.
I knew I could count on you, Harold. I'll be back later this afternoon. Ta-ta!
I can't believe this. She bought a flamingo for her bathroom.
Sounds kind of cool. But won't it get feathers all over the sink?
It can't possibly be a real flamingo.
Yeah, it's probably a designer towel holder or something.
Well, I can't go traipsing all the way to McKeesport today. I've got to do the books. So, Scotty, how'd you like to hippity-hop over there and pick it up for me?
Me? All the way to McKeesport? Well, actually, it might be kind of fun. I'll be back by early evening.
Thanks again, son, and be careful.
Give me a break, Dad. I'm not a kid. Bakery, a shoe store, beauty shop. Bingo! The House of Plumbing.
Welcome to the House of Plumbing. How can I help you?
I'm here to pick up a catalog order for Mrs. Peterson.
Oh, well, what's the item?
Oh, I don't know exactly, but I think it's shaped like, flamingo.
Oh, the flamingo. Right this way. There she is.